Tara hot kayo sumama sa amin sa birthday ng aming pamangkin na si Rain. May kami napaga ng punta din wala pang katao-tao, kami laang. Hindi, kaya habang wala pang tao kami mag-aayos muna. Kita niyo naman ang mga pamangkin ko, mga nagme-makeup. Habang ako, pakit-kit lang din Happy birthday, Rain. Nakasama pa ang aking bebe. Talaga na din. Dari ang aking mga pamangkin. Kung makikita niyo magat na pangkad. Napag-iwanan ang aking mga anak.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Muli panalig ng mas malakas na palakpakan for our Davidan.
Thank you so much for lending me your time, your energy, and just excusing yourself for this day, just for this event.
Thank you so much, Mr. Benz. And daw palakpakan naman po natin once again. 18 blossoms of the season or 18 roses. Please welcome, palakpakan po natin ang boyfriend po ng ating Davidan, Mr. Yuan Almario. Ay wow, may pa-roses din kay Mami.
Hello, happy 18th birthday. I know na becoming an adult feels scary, pero I'm here with you naman. I'll support you sa lahat. Kasama mo ako sa lahat ng stress mo. Ako sa ng pagod mo. Galing sa art, sa school, sa lahat. Sa lahat. And I know na nakaka-feel ka ng kaba.
Mario, palakpakan naman natin. Ayan. Hello, Miss Haya.
Hi, Rain. Happy 18th birthday. And welcome to adulthood, and may this new chapter bring you growth and unforgettable memories. The best is yet to come. God bless you.
Maraming salamat, Miss Haya Almario. And let's see how we photo. Ayan. Diba, ang dami mong supporters, Gwen. Gwen, ikaw naman, paano kayo nagkakilala ni Rain or ni Ryan?
Nung grade 11 po sa GC, may issue kasi.
Simple pocketbook na magagamit mo at ma-apply mo siya in the future at sana matitay mo na mabasa siya at ma-apply mo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Maraming salamat. And clap your hands together, guys. Louder! Yung mas malakas pa!
To my friends, Rai, to those in badminton, or even Noida, to those who are close to me. But whatever name you call me, and however you know me, I hope I become someone you'll be proud to have met. Someone whose name brings you a smile, and maybe a little pride. Many steps ahead. But tonight, as I take my first step with confidence, knowing I'm surrounded by people who believe in me. Again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you have all enjoyed my 18th birthday. Thank you very much, everyone.